In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post team announcements in Microsoft Teams. If you want to share important updates with everyone in a clear and professional way, announcements are a great option. They help your message stand out more than a regular post, which makes them useful for things like reminders, event updates, deadlines, or general team news. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, so it's easy to follow. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to Communities. This is the area where you can interact with your group and create posts that everyone in that community can see. Once you're there, look for the posting options available in the conversation area. Next, click on Announcement. Choosing this option changes your post from a standard message into a more noticeable format. This is helpful when you want to grab attention and make sure people can quickly identify that the message is important. After that, type a headline. The headline should be short, direct, and easy to understand at a glance. Think of it as the main title of your announcement. It should tell readers what the update is about right away, so they can immediately recognize its purpose. Then add your subheading. This gives you a little more space to support the headline and provide extra context. A good subheading can briefly explain the topic, add a date, or clarify what action the team may need to take. Keeping it concise will make your announcement look clean and readable. Now, type your message. This is where you include the full details of your announcement. So make sure your wording is clear and organized so people can quickly understand the information. If the update involves instructions, timing, or next steps, include that in a straightforward way. It's always a good idea to read through your message once before posting so you can catch any unclear wording or small mistakes. Finally, click on Post. Once you do that, your announcement will be published to the community for everyone to see. Because it's formatted as an announcement, it will have more visual impact than a regular message, which can help increase visibility and engagement. And that's it. That's how to post team announcements in Microsoft Teams. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick, and it's an effective way to keep your team informed with polished, easy-to-read updates.